everyone, it's your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. I'm here with the very first video of this new series that I want to try out for the month of October. Today it is Fearless Friday. Fearless Friday, where basically I just want to inspire you guys to look, feel, and live fearlessly. You guys know that goes hand in hand with my business, Fearless Belle. I just want to encourage you guys and just like inspire you guys to live that fearless life, girl. And today we are going to be working on looking fearless, okay? So we're going to be doing a brown smoky eye. Let's just go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is just grab your primer. I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I've been using this primer for a while now, probably like over a year, and I love it. So next I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, and I'm mixing it with the Juvias Place, and I like to just dot it over my face first. And I forgot to tell you that I have already moisturized my skin prior to applying the primer. So when I'm doing my foundation, I like to go in with a brush. I always go back and forth between a brush and a beauty sponge, but I like the brush because I feel like it gives me full coverage, and I am just stippling the brush over my skin. You see, I'm not using any buffing motions because when you use buffing motions, you are kind of like thinning the coverage. So stippling the foundation over your face gives you more of that full coverage effect. So I just put a little bit over my eyelids, as you can see, bringing it down my neck. And after this mixture like oxidizes, it's going to blend more with my complexion. So that's what our face is looking like. Onto the brows, I am using this precision eyebrow pencil from Fearless Belle. I have not dropped this eyebrow pencil yet. I have 4 different shades. I'm using the color Noir today, which is kind of like a black shade. And I love it because you can be very precise. You see how I got that angle at the top? Like, come on, art. So let me know if you guys think I should drop this. So out of my Fearless Belle brush set, I am using the brush to clean up around my brows. And under my brows, I take my concealer, just like maybe a shade lighter, and then over the top, I like to go in with my foundation because I don't like that highlighted look above my brows. Now just with my concealer, everything will be listed down below as well. I am just putting some concealer on my eyes as a base for the eyeshadows, and then I'm just going to set that with some powder, and I'm using my Dermablend powder, but again, everything will be down below. So for eyeshadow palettes, I went into my Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. I was going to use my 27K palette, but I ended up just using 2 shades out of the Morphe palette. So the first shade that I use is Central Park, and then after blending out Central Park, I went in with Pop. Hold on, let me see. The name of it is Soda Pop. So I go in with Soda Pop on my lid, but I'm just using circular motions to buff out any harshness. And yeah, so sometimes I close my eyes so I can get the crease area. It just helps with blending. So now with a Fearless Belle brush, I am just packing Soda Pop on my lid, and I'm using circular motions to blend it in with the previous eyeshadow that I applied. So now I'm just going to line my eyes, girl, and I'm using a brown liner to do this. I didn't want to do black, I just wanted to keep it all brown. And now for eyelashes, I'm going to wear the style Paris today, and I will have a discount code at the end of this video. So if you want to try out any Fearless Belle products, which is my brand, you can do that. And also I'm using our lash glue. I absolutely love this glue. Like, it comes in black and clear. So for contour, I like to use a cream contour just because it gives me more control over where my contour goes. And on my forehead, you can see I did not put any foundation right there at the very top for this simple reason, because I knew I was going to apply some contour. And yes, I'm up on this trend with the concealer. I don't know what it is, but I feel like when I put my concealer on like this, it looks so much better. Maybe it's in my head, excuse me, I have like a little cold or something going on right now, so sorry if my voice sounds a little raspy. But yeah, I'm just gonna blend this out with a Real Techniques brush that I've had for years, literally years. So yeah, I'm just buffing this and just blending. With doing makeup, blending is definitely key. So now I'm just taking like a smaller brush and I'm just going to blend out that contour on my nose. And to blend out my concealer, I like to use a damp beauty sponge, and I like drain all the water out to the point it's like no water in it, but the dampness just helps the product blend out better. So I'm just going in and just blending, just patting the concealer into my skin and just blending. And now I'm going to set it with my Dermapen powder. I always go back and forth between like applying the powder with a beauty blender or a brush, and right now I am back to applying it with the brush. And now I'm just taking those same two eyeshadows and just applying it to my lash line. And to set the concealer, I am taking my beauty blender and I applied that powder with my beauty blender to set. So now I'm just going over that contour to get that nose together, girl, to contour that thing. And my Cupid's bow, I like to contour my Cupid's bow, kind of make it stand out a little bit more. So for blush, I went into my Morphe blush palettes and a setting spray. I believe this is from Cover Effects. And now I'm just going to apply my highlight. Now to like define that contour right there, I go under it with my powder and I just let it sit for a second, then I just wipe it away. And now for lips, as y'all can see, I changed my hairstyle. I did a crochet video, so if you guys like this hairstyle, I will link the hair tutorial down below so you can check it out. But just with a brown lip liner, I line my lips. And now I'm applying Cork. It's a matte liquid lipstick from Fearless Belle. I believe we are low in stock with this lipstick because you guys have been loving it. And I love a dark lip for the fall. So I do have a discount code where you can save money. It will be at the end. But yeah, I'm just applying this lipstick. And I did pop a little of my concealer in the middle. I kind of didn't like the way that it looked, so I went back over it with Cork. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know y'all like, girl, you got a whole new hairstyle. Yes, if y'all like this hairstyle, I did a separate video on it. But I feel like fall is my favorite time of the year to create those vampy, those sultry looking makeup looks. My favorite by far. But I enjoyed doing this tutorial. I haven't done like a sit down tutorial like this in a few months, so it was good to sit down and film this. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was beginner friendly. I only used 2 eyeshadows on my eyes. Like, girl, you can do this. I have faith in you. You can do this. And if you do try this look out, let me know. Tag me on Instagram or something whenever you rocking it, okay? But that is it, guys. I will see you in my next video. Also, if you made it to the end of this video, I have a discount code for you, girl. It's right here on the screen. Go shop Fearless Belle. Any of the products I used in today's video, I will have it listed and linked down below. And if you want to, you know, get you some Fearless Belle products, girl, use that discount code and save you some coins. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.